Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. That's why my voice is kind of off. I kind of sound like I'm underwater to myself, so I don't even know what level I'm speaking at, but I still wanted to film for you using Huda Beauty's new neon palettes. So if you want to see how I created this purple look, please keep watching. For my eyeshadow look, I'm going to be going in with one of Huda Beauty's new neon palettes. I'm going to go in with the pink neon palette. So first, making sure my eyelid has no creases. I never set it, so I'm just going to blend out those creases a little bit. And then going in with this light purple. Wow, that is pigmented. Next, going in with a little bit of this darker purple, and I'm going to be using my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH37 brush for this one. Going back in with that light purple, and I forgot to mention, I'm taking this on my Morphe M505 brush, making sure it overpowers that pinky purple. For my inner corner, I'm going to be going in with this light sparkly purple. And I'm actually going to mix it with that sparkly pink at the top as well. Then using my little Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH42 brush, picking up that darker purple, the magenta pink. Just smudging that under my lash line. And then taking a bigger brush, but still small, this is my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH39 pencil brush. Picking up that lighter purple. Smudging that right on top of that dark purple. And then going in with a clean fluffy brush. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills A12. And just blending that out. So now going in with a liner, I'm going to be using this NYX Epic Ink liner pen. Next for lashes, I'm going to be going in with Icona lashes in Love Story. Looks just like that. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara, and this is Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. Oh, my voice is going so funky. Now for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Aladdin Collection Always One Jump Ahead highlighter. And then lastly for lips, I'm going to line my lips with Buxom's Plumpline Lip Liner in Stealth. And then filling that in with Lancome's Matte Shaker in Nudevotion. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Also, don't forget to leave any questions or requests for future looks below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this look and want to recreate it. If you do, feel free to tag me on Instagram at Chelseasmakeup, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.